Hello and welcome to Learn English via Stories. Today's story is called A Strange Morning. You will listen to Tom tell a real-life story about a small problem and how he solves it. This video will help you improve your listening skills, learn new words, and answer easy questions to check your understanding. Let's begin.
Hi, my name is Tom. Let me tell you what happened to me this morning. I woke up at 7, but I was late. My alarm didn't ring. The power went out during the night. I looked around my room. The lights didn't work. My phone battery was low. There was no Wi-Fi. I said, "Oh no, no power, no internet. I have work today." I quickly got ready. I washed my face and got dressed. Then I went to the kitchen. I opened the fridge. No light inside. It was still warm. Luckily, I had some bread and fruit. I said, "This will do for now. At least I can eat something." I stepped outside and saw some neighbors. One of them said, "Good morning, Tom. The power is out on the whole street. They say it will come back by noon." I said, "Thanks. I'll go to the cafe and work from there." I walked to a nearby cafe. I ordered a coffee and sat near the window. The Wi-Fi was working there. I opened my laptop and started my day. I smiled and thought, every day is different. It's okay. We just need to stay calm and find a way.
New vocabularies and meaning. I will say each word. Then I will explain the meaning. Outage. An outage is when electricity or service stops working. For example, a power outage means no electricity. Luckily. Luckily means something good happens by chance. For example, luckily, Tom had food at home. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is wireless internet you can use without cables. Many homes and cafes have Wi-Fi. Neighbor. A neighbor is a person who lives near you. Tom's neighbor told Tom about the power outage. Cafe. A cafe is a small place where people buy drinks and snacks. Tom went to a cafe to work and use Wi-Fi. Great job! Now you know 5 new words. Let's continue learning together. Comprehension check? Check your understanding. Let's check your understanding of the story. I will ask 5 questions. After each question, I will give the answer. Question 1. Why did Tom wake up late? Answer. Because the power went out and his alarm didn't ring. Question 2. What did Tom eat for breakfast? Answer. He ate some bread and fruit. Question 3. What did the neighbor tell Tom? Answer. The power is out in the whole street and it will be back by noon. Question 4. Where did Tom go to work? Answer. He went to a nearby cafe. Question 5. What did Tom learn in the end? Answer. He learns that every day is different and we need to stay calm and find a way. Great job, and thank you for watching. Now you've learned new vocabulary, practiced listening, and understood Tom's story. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time on Learn English via Stories.